Is your liver silently failing without you even realizing it? Unlike other organs, the liver often suffers in silence. By the time most people notice the signs of liver disease, the damage is already advanced. Today, I'm going to share with you the 7 most important warning signs of liver disease that you should never ignore. If you catch these symptoms early, you may be able to prevent serious, even life-threatening conditions. The liver is an incredible organ. It has over 500 vital functions, from breaking down toxins to producing proteins and hormones. But here's the catch. It doesn't have pain receptors like other parts of your body. That means your liver can be under attack for years without you feeling any pain. Instead of sharp signals, liver disease often shows up as vague problems, tiredness, changes in skin or digestion that people dismiss as stress, aging, or poor sleep. That's why it's so important to know the subtle signs before it's too late. The first and most common symptom is fatigue. We're not talking about normal tiredness after a long day. This is deep, ongoing exhaustion that doesn't go away with rest. Why does this happen? When your liver is damaged, it can't process nutrients efficiently or remove toxins properly. As a result, your body doesn't get the energy it needs, and harmful substances begin to circulate in your blood. If you find yourself constantly exhausted, weak, or struggling to focus, especially if it's unexplained, it could be your liver calling for help. One of the most visible signs of liver disease is jaundice, when your skin or the whites of your eyes turn yellow. This happens because a substance called bilirubin builds up in your blood. Normally, your liver processes bilirubin and removes it. But when your liver is damaged, bilirubin accumulates, staining your skin and eyes. If you ever notice your eyes or skin turning yellow, it is a red flag. Seek medical attention immediately. Another warning sign is swelling or pain in the abdomen, especially on the right side under your ribs. This is where your liver sits. There are 2 main reasons. 1. The liver itself becomes enlarged or inflamed. 2. Fluid starts to build up in the abdomen, a condition called ascites, which is often linked to cirrhosis. If you notice unusual bloating, tightness, or pain in your abdomen, don't dismiss it as just overeating or weight gain. The color of your urine and stool can be a big clue to your liver's health. Dark urine may indicate excess bilirubin being excreted through the kidneys instead of the liver. Pale or clay-colored stools can mean that bile isn't reaching the intestines properly. These changes often go unnoticed or are blamed on diet. But if you consistently see dark urine and pale stools, your liver may not be functioning normally. Do you bruise more easily than before? Do small cuts take longer to stop bleeding? The liver makes many of the proteins needed for blood clotting. If it's damaged, those proteins aren't produced in sufficient amounts. As a result, you bleed or bruise much more as I live in from minor bumps or scratches. This symptom is often overlooked, but it's a clear sign your liver may be struggling. Itchy skin may not seem connected to your liver, but it often is. When bile salts build up in the bloodstream, they can cause intense itching, sometimes worse at night. Unlike normal skin irritation, this type of itch doesn't go away with creams or scratching. It's a deep, frustrating itch that lingers and spreads. Persistent, unexplained itching, especially with other symptoms, should never be ignored. Your liver doesn't just protect your body, it also protects your brain. When it can't filter toxins properly, those toxins build up in your bloodstream and eventually reach your brain. This condition is known as hepatic encephalopathy. Symptoms include confusion, memory problems, difficulty concentrating, or even personality changes. If you or someone you know suddenly struggles with confusion or mental fog, and especially if other liver symptoms are present, seek medical care right away. If you recognize one or more of these warning signs, don't panic, but don't ignore them either. Here's what you should do. 1. See a doctor immediately. Ask for liver function tests, blood tests like ALT-AST and an ultrasound. 2. Avoid alcohol. Even small amounts can worsen liver damage. 3. Adopt a liver-friendly diet. Focus on vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and hydration. 4. Be cautious with medications. Some painkillers and supplements can stress the liver. 5. Maintain a healthy weight and exercise. Obesity and fatty liver often go hand in hand. Let's recap the 7 warning signs of liver disease. 1. Fatigue and weakness. 2. Jaundice. 3. Abdominal swelling or pain. 4. Dark urine and pale stool. 5. Easy bruising and bleeding. 6. Itchy skin. 7. Confusion or poor concentration. Your liver rarely cries out for help, but when it does, these are the signals. Don't ignore them. Early detection can mean the difference between a healthy recovery and lifelong complications. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more health insights and share it with someone you care about. Protecting your liver means protecting your life.